Hey there, want to win a $100 Best Buy coupon? Well, you're in the right place. In every video, a 6-digit code will pop up clearly on screen. It could be anywhere, so watch the whole video carefully. Once you spot the code, click the link in the pinned comment and enter your name, phone, email, and the code. One lucky winner from each video gets $100 and winners are announced on the website every Monday. Don't blink, your next $100 could show up any second. Yo, what's up everybody, it's Mark here. And today we're diving deep into the world of ridiculously large televisions with the LG 86-inch class UQ75 Series 4K TV. Now this isn't just some budget-friendly big screen, we're talking about a feature-packed display that aims to bring the cinematic experience right into your living room. But the real question is, with a price tag of $849.99, is it actually any good? We're gonna break down everything, the good, the bad, and the just plain huge, to see if this TV is worth your hard-earned cash. And let me tell you, this TV has been making some noise online. I'm seeing a solid 4.7 out of 5 stars, with over 1,279 reviews, which definitely piqued my interest. That's a lot of people weighing in, so we're gonna see if it lives up to the hype. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's get into the nitty-gritty of the LG 86-inch class UQ75 Series LED 4K UHD Smart webOS TV, model number 86UQ7590 PUD. Alright, let's kick things off with what really matters on a TV this size, the picture quality. And I gotta say, LG did not disappoint here. Right out of the box, the 4K UHD resolution is stunning. We're talking crisp details, vibrant colors, and deep blacks that really make the content pop. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, binging the latest shows, or even just casually gaming, this display delivers an immersive experience that's hard to beat, especially at this price point. But it's not just about the resolution. LG's color science has always been on point, and this TV is no exception. The colors are rich and accurate, without being overly saturated. Skin tones look natural, landscapes are vibrant, and even in dark scenes you get a good amount of detail without things getting muddy. And speaking of dark scenes, the local dimming on this TV is surprisingly good for an edge-lit panel. It's not quite on the level of a full-array local dimming system, but it does a decent job of dimming the backlight in darker areas, which helps to improve the contrast ratio and overall black levels. Now, beyond just the raw panel quality, LG has also packed in a bunch of picture enhancement features. You've got your usual suspects like HDR support, motion smoothing, and noise reduction, all of which work well without introducing any noticeable artifacts. But one feature I really appreciate is LG's Filmmaker mode. Now, I know some people think these purist modes are a gimmick, but I actually find them really useful, especially for watching movies. Basically, it disables all the extra processing and motion interpolation, giving you a picture that's closer to what the director intended. And it's not just about the picture quality. LG's webOS smart platform deserves a shout-out here. It's one of the most intuitive and responsive smart TV interfaces out there. Navigating through menus is a breeze, and the app selection is top-notch. You've got all the major streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more all pre-installed and ready to go. Plus, the included Magic Remote is a game-changer. It's got this cool little cursor that lets you point and click your way around the interface, making it super easy to use, even for those who aren't familiar with smart TVs. Alright, so we've covered the good stuff, but no tech review is complete without addressing the potential downsides. And, with the LG 86-inch UQ75 Series, the one area that might leave you wanting more is the sound quality. Now don't get me wrong, the built-in speakers aren't terrible, they get the job done for casual viewing, but they lack the punch and clarity you'd expect from a TV this size and caliber. The main issue is that the speakers are downward firing, which can result in a slightly muffled sound, especially if you have the TV wall-mounted. The bass is also a bit lacking, so you won't get that rumbling, cinematic experience for action movies or bass-heavy music. Now, I know what you're thinking. MKBHD always complains about TV speakers, and you're right, I do. But that's because audio is such a crucial part of the home theater experience, and it's often overlooked by manufacturers. The good news is that this is an easy fix. If you're serious about sound quality, I highly recommend investing in a dedicated soundbar or surround sound system. It'll make a world of difference, especially for a TV this size. But even without external speakers, the LG UQ75 Series still delivers a solid audio experience for everyday viewing. The dialogue is clear, the volume gets plenty loud, and there's no noticeable distortion, even at higher volumes. So, while the built-in speakers might not blow you away, they're certainly not a deal-breaker. And considering the incredible value this TV offers in other areas, it's a trade-off I'm willing to make. Alright, let's dive a little deeper into one of the standout features of this TV, the 4K UHD resolution. Now I know 4K has been around for a while, but it's still impressive, especially on a screen this massive. We're talking about 4 times the resolution of standard HD, which translates to an insane amount of detail. Think about it this way. Imagine taking a single pixel from your old HD TV and splitting it into 4 smaller pixels. That's essentially what 4K does, and when you have millions of those tiny pixels working together, the result is an incredibly sharp and lifelike image. But it's not just about the numbers. The real magic of 4K lies in its ability to draw you into the action. With so much detail on display, you'll notice things you've never seen before. The texture of a character's skin, the individual blades of grass on a golf course, the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings. And the best part is, 4K content is becoming increasingly common. Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus all offer a growing library of 4K movies and shows. Even YouTube is overflowing with 4K videos these days, so whether you're a movie buff, a sports fanatic, or just someone who appreciates stunning visuals, the LG UQ75 Series 4K resolution is sure to impress. It's a game changer that elevates the entire viewing experience. Now let's talk about the brains behind this operation, LG's webOS smart platform. This is where the LG UQ75 series really shines, offering a seamless and intuitive smart TV experience that rivals even the most popular streaming devices. One of the things I love most about webOS is its simplicity. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and incredibly easy to navigate. You won't find yourself getting lost in a maze of menus or struggling to find the app you're looking for. Speaking of apps, webOS has you covered with a comprehensive selection of streaming services, including all the heavy hitters like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, YouTube, and countless others. Whether you're in the mood for movies, TV shows, documentaries, live sports, or even just some casual YouTube browsing, you'll find it all here. But webOS is more than just a glorified app launcher. It also offers a ton of customization options, allowing you to personalize your viewing experience. You can create custom profiles for different family members, set up favorite channels, and even control your smart home devices right from the TV. And let's not forget about the Magic Remote. This thing is a game changer, especially for navigating the webOS interface. It's got this cool little cursor that lets you point and click your way around the screen, making it super intuitive to use. Plus, it's got dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, so you can jump right into your favorite shows with a single click. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the giant TV in the room. 86 inches. That's not just big, it's massive. It's the kind of size that makes you rethink your living room layout and measure your walls twice just to be sure. But trust me, once you experience the immersive glory of an 86-inch display, there's no going back. It's like having your own personal movie theater right in your living room. Movies become epic events, sporting events feel like you're right there in the stadium, and even casual gaming sessions are taken to a whole new level. But it's not just about the sheer size. The 16:9 aspect ratio of the LG UQ75 series is perfect for cinematic viewing, providing a truly immersive experience without any black bars at the top and bottom of the screen. And despite its massive size, the LG UQ75 series manages to maintain a surprisingly slim profile. It won't dominate your living room like some bulky behemoth. Its sleek modern design blends seamlessly into any decor, whether you choose to wall mount it or place it on a stand. Of course, with a TV this size, you'll want to make sure you have enough space to accommodate it. LG recommends a viewing distance of at least 10 feet for optimal enjoyment. But trust me, once you're immersed in the action, you won't even notice the distance. So there you have it, the LG 86-inch Class UQ75 Series LED 4K UHD Smart webOS TV. It's a TV that doesn't hold back on size or features, delivering an impressive viewing experience that's hard to beat, especially at its price point.
For $849.99, you're getting a massive 86-inch 4K display with stunning picture quality, a user-friendly smart TV interface, and a sleek design that will elevate any living room. While the sound quality might not blow you away, it's easily remedied with a dedicated sound system. Overall, the LG 86-inch UQ75 Series, model number 86 UQ7590 PUD, is an incredible value for anyone looking for a truly immersive home theater experience. If you're in the market for a new TV, and size is a top priority, this one should definitely be on your radar. As always, thanks for watching.